Today, I will explain the installation and debugging of the ultrasonic mold. The mold is loose to the left when it is installed. Disassemble the mold like this. Loose to the left and tight to the right. Loosen the horizontal screws after tightening the mold. Change the manual after the screw is loosened. Manual die adjustment. And then we press these two green ones. It's coming down. Loosen the two handles. Roll it up on the table. Loosen the horizontal screws and shake them to the table. Chop to the end. See. Press the two handles tightly after leveling. Leveling. Two horizontal screws must be locked at the same time. Be sure to lock at the same time. Get one here and tighten it. If you tighten it, it will be very flat. Shake it up. You see, it's flat. Shake it up again. Put the product into the jig. Place the product in the mold. Put it down and shake the nose down. Upper and lower mold alignment. The upper and lower mold can be balanced. Be sure to press both handles tightly. After compaction, the two handles should be locked tightly. Lock the two handles so the nose doesn't move. That's it. Many people don't know how to install this pressure plate. That's how it's installed. Lock one screw here, and the other one is like this. This is the way to hold this pressure plate. And so is the other half. In this way, the two pressure plates are in place. The machine will be ready. Then switch to automatic. Just change it to this automatic. So when you press it down, it goes up automatically. The air pressure shall not be less than 4 kg. This is to adjust the air pressure. If you twist this to the left, its air pressure will decrease. Turn it to the right and the pressure will increase. When the air pressure reaches 5 kg, you can press it down. This is to adjust the descent speed. These are all crucial. Now let's switch to automatic pressure. Look, this ultrasound line is melted. It's all melted down. It works very well. If the sealant overflows after pressing, we can control it here. Look, there's a limit screw here. This limit screw is used to support the nose. If the product overflows, twist it up a little. The nose wouldn't have come down so much. This is also very important. Many stationary factories, his bi-model is dentate. The lower one is a steel plate, which can easily break the teeth if it is not limited. This limit screw is very critical. If the product is overflowing with glue, you can twist it up a little and it will be fixed. The other is the modulation generator. If the product overflows with glue, this time is too long. Shorten the welding time. What does this delay control? The delay is to control when it sends the wave. This is our mode to press the product to wave, or not to press the product to start to wave. Normally speaking, we choose to send waves in advance for larger products. Because there's an advantage to having an early wave. It's very explosive. If the delay time is long and the product is pressed, the sound wave will not come out, and the effect is not so good. Normally, we will choose to send the wave ahead of time. Unless there is a deformed product, we will choose to adjust the time longer. Press the product to wave. This welding time is an ultrasonic time. Select 0.55 here. This cooling time. It is the time for the mold to stop on the product after pressing. It's cooling. This time can also be changed. Very convenient. There are two patterns here. One is the energy mode. Energy mode must look at this 0.6. Look at the record here. We must adjust it to 1.09. These two times will coincide. There is also an amplitude. There is a soft mode. If the small product is easy to break, use the gentle mode. Normally, we use the constant mode. The amplitude is adjustable between 0 and 100. Our product is big, so we choose to adjust the amplitude a little bigger. If the product is small, we will choose to turn it down. Depending on the product can be pressed well. If not, we will turn up the power. If you adjust the amplitude, the power will naturally increase. Ultrasonic application. No glue, beautiful welding. Without a screw. In accordance with traditional practice, there was no ultrasonic process before. Everyone is fixed with screws. This kind of fixing with screws is not beautiful. One here, one there, holes everywhere. Now there's an ultrasound application. This one is very beautiful. It does not need to use glue, which is environmentally friendly and safe. That's all for today. There will be something about ultrasonic technology in the future. Welcome to Consult.